Today I'm going to show you how to create a really simple image using Universe Image Creator. Now this is the trial version, so this is free for everyone to use. It only comes with less objects. Now the first thing we're going to do is put some stars on our blank image, because it is too dark. So up here in the tool section, we're going to select Star Field. And then over here in the left corner, we see texture. This is the color, the brightness, the density, and the size of your stars. And now we don't have any stars done yet because you have to click on the black area because that's your universe, and your stars will now we have stars. So we can adjust the brightness and some really bright stars. I don't want a lot of stars, so I'll have like that many stars. And I don't want too big of stars. And I'll just have white stars. When we're done with that, let's put some things in our galaxy. Because the stars are cool, but we want some other stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and put so we're going to come back to our tool section. I'm going to put a Neptune. So just click anywhere you want. And let's put them right here. Ooh! Gorgeous. Is this Neptune? Yeah, it is. Okay. So now, in the left side of your screen, you're going to see all these things you can do with your planet. So, we have geometry first, and that's like the orientation, the location, and the distance and size of your planet. So, orientation is like how you want your planet to be seen, I guess. Perspective. Location is going to be like where you want your planet. And this is for pretty much every tool except stars, because stars are everywhere. So I'm going to have my dude right there. And then when you're done with your location, you just click on it again, and then you don't have to worry about accidentally moving it around. Distance, I'm going to make it a little bit farther away. Like that much. Hold on. There we go. And then size is, he's pretty good. There we go. I like that. Okay. So now we have a planet over here. Under that we have the texture, which is the colors of your planet, and then how much you want your colors to mix, and like the spin. So let's do some, let's get some, I do purple a lot. Let's do some yellow. I have a lot of light yellow. So we're gonna have a light yellow, and then I think I'm gonna change the black to an orangish yellow, like that. And maybe darker. And just play around with it until you have something you like. And then I want my colors to not mix, sorry. No, I kind of want them to mix more. Too much. There we go. And then we're going to add a little bit of a spin. And then we're done with our texture. So then we're going to go under and we get to the noise section. This is your frequency, granularity, amplitude, and gain. So let's adjust the frequency a little bit. Granularity. Doesn't really do anything. Amplitude. Whoa. Let's not. I'll have a little amplitude and gain. So that's good. When we're done with that, we can go under and we see the atmosphere, storms, your halo color, how much you want, like a big halo, small halo, zero halo. I'm gonna just have like a little light yellow halo. That's a little green. There we go. So we'll do that. See, now I have a light yellow halo. And then I want not too many storms, so that's pretty good. When we're done, we go under and we see the rings. So I'm gonna keep my rings. And the start is how far away, I guess how far away they are from the planet. So if you have smaller I'm gonna start, they're gonna be closer. I'm gonna have a lot of rings. And I'm gonna have the size. I want pretty big rings. There we go. Transparency. I don't want to really see too well. There we go. Count. So like the more you go, that's a lot of rings. But like if I go over here, I only have like one big one. So we'll do a good amount. That's good. And then we can change the color. Let's do some. Whoa. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go back to just the yellow. That's good. And then under that we have the lighting for your planet. Whoa. I lost him. There he goes. Okay, the sun will be coming from that direction. Okay, now we're done. Now we have a nice planet and some stars. And I come up here and click my planet, then click location and make him more to the middle, and then I'm just gonna have a little Saturn. And that's how you make a simple image using Universe Image Creator. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and bye-bye.